Mind-body connection sounds self-explanatory, but what does it really mean? Well, your nervous system, your gut, your endocrine system, immune system, and every organ inside of your body all share a common chemical language. They communicate with each other about everything that happens to you through things like neurotransmitters and hormones. Now this means that your thoughts, your feelings, your beliefs, and your attitude can positively or negatively affect your physical body. On the other hand, your body, meaning how much you eat, how much you exercise, and your posture can impact your mental state. This is why things like the placebo effect can work so well. Now, if you want to exercise and grow this connection, yoga is one of the best ways. It allows you to work on your physical and mental capabilities in unison. So if you want to learn more about yoga and the mind-body connection, check out episode number 21 on the HealthSimple Show podcast.